Okay, so this is going to be part one of the Prusa unboxing of the Prusa MMU-T, the multi-material upgrade unit for the Mark III. Had this on order for 6 months. It's now the end of October 2018, and this is the latest version, and let's see what we got. This is the now infamous, famous Prusa black plastic that they put around everything, which really does make for a pretty nice pack job. And we'll just cut it off. Not spend a whole lot of time on this. And to reveal the box inside. And there it is. The Prusa multi-material upgrade. Okay. For the Mark 2.5 and the Mark III, multi-material 2.0 upgrade, blah, blah, blah. Here's the candies, which I haven't ever really eaten. I guess it's a cute thing to include. Here we have our invoice. Here we have some congratulatory stuff and some original paperwork. 3D printing handbook with the multi-material upgrade there. A USB charging type cable. Wow, everything was really packed good. Let's see what's in there. See if I can get this thing open reasonably easy. Circuit board. We do have the circuit board. These appear to be the 5 trays for the spools. 5 trays for the spools. We'll put them over here. MMU motor set, 1 extruder motor, 1 selector motor, and 1 motor pulley. There you go. That's a divider that's in the box, and down in the bottom of the box we have. This looks like the new printed parts for the extruder. The new extruder fan mount, the whole deal is in there. And in this box we have, the unit itself. Yes. The unit itself. Wow, all the plastic stuff. Looks like some rubber feet type of feelies. Another set of tools. Starting to get a pretty big collection of these tools together. You know, another needle nose, screwdriver, etc. Number 5, spare nuts and bolts. That's a really good thing that Prusa includes with these kits. They have come in handy. Here's the S holder, which I think is the spool holders. Yep, the hardware, all those bearings and things for the spool holders. Here we have number 3, electronics. A lot of zip ties, some looks like shrink wrap tubes maybe in there, that type of thing, some wires. Here we have number 2, pulley body stuff. Here we have number 1, idler body stuff, some bearings and things in there, and some PTFE tubes. And that is everything that you get with the MMU-2. Hope that helped you out a little bit.